Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hurricane DeFi right here, and in today's video we're gonna be reviewing Universe Planet Nodes, a new highly anticipated project on the AVAX network. Let's get right into it. First of all, you can get the Unif token on Trader Joe using either AVAX or MIM. Then you can go to the observatory and head on to My Planets, click Mint Planet, name it right here, and put the amount of Univ you have bought. So the minimum is 42,000 Univ, and click Mint right here. Each planet that you mint gives you 4% daily plus bonuses dependent on the planet and the amount of Univ. So if we head on to Tofu NFT, you can see that the Universe ecosystem has its own NFT collection where people can trade their planets. So for example, this planet has over 300,000 Univ and it's selling for 13 AVAX, which is nearly $1,000. Another important thing to mention is that when you create a planet, compound, or claim from a planet, there is a 28% fee applied, which is going to help the system. And when you create a planet, 72% of the UNIF is burnt and 28% goes to the treasury as liquidity. Here the website seems to be well put together. I really like the design of this website. And let's go ahead and check their white paper. Passive income up to 2000 APR, NFTs, and metaverse. So when it comes to the fees, like I said, 28% goes to the treasury and 72% is burnt, compared to other node tokens in which 100% goes to the treasury, which is bad for the health of the project. So let's go ahead to check the bonuses. Mercury gives you 0%, Mars between 1 and 5%, Earth between 5 and 10%, Neptune between 10 and 20%, Jupiter between 20 and 30%, and the Sun gives you a bonus of 30 to 40% on top of the 4% daily that you make, which is pretty good. Here in the tokenomics, since the planets are NFTs, you may be able to directly trade them at our partner Tofu NFT. A 15% commission goes back to the treasury, where we proceed continually to buying back and burning more UNIF to contribute to the price. So basically guys, that's it for the project. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and give me a follow on Twitter. Check the Discord. See you guys in the next video.